Namaste. Welcome to each and every one of you who has tuned in today. As you know, my name is Sveta Hatangi Khilpadi. I'm residing in Gurgaon, and I am very grateful to RVS Siragugal for inviting me today to go live on their page. And it's a wonderful occasion to go live today because today is International Nurses Day. And we all should be so grateful to these wonderful people who are serving us in times when they need to. Happy International Nurses Day to everyone, to the nursing fraternity all over the world, and to those with RVS. So, with that, I would like to start my recital. Today, we are going to talk about Thumris. Some of you must have heard this name. You must have either heard the song or heard the name Thumris. Thumri is a form of light classical vocal music Hindustani. I will not go into too much of grammar because I'm here to present the compositions to you so you all can enjoy them. But I would like to tell you a small little difference between Thumri and the Rag, that is the Khayal style of singing. So the Thumri, the text of that particular Thumri, and you are allowed to sort of go in and out of rags because you want to emote. So there will be a lot of this which you'll see. Unfortunately, because we are all in lockdown, I have no accompanists. The accompanists play a very important role in Thumri singing. So maybe when I switch, I may just take a minute or so to move, my electronic tabla and tanpura. So with that, let me start. So my first composition for y'all is in Rag Mishra Des. It says, Mora Saiya Bulave Adhi Raat Nadiya Beri Bhai. I'm going to explain it a little bit. So Mora Saiya, as in the Naika or the heroine of this particular song, says that her beloved Saiya is on the other side of the river, which is right now turbulent, and she cannot cross the river. So she asks the Mallaha, who is the boatman, for help. Other than the meaning of love and separation from the beloved, this also is, as we call in Thumri, Do Mani Thumri. It has two meanings, where the beloved could be God above and us trying to reach the Paramatma. So, Mura Saiya Bulave Adhi Raat Nadiya Beri Bhai. O Mura Saiya Bulave Adhi Raat Mora Saiya 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 Bulave Saiya Bulave Nadiya Beri Bhai Mora Saiya बेरी भई बेरी भई भई रे The next composition that I have chosen for you is known as a dadra. It is also a form of thumri singing, a little faster than the slow or vilambit thumri that we sing. This particular dadra is, the words are Savariya Pyara Re Mori Guiya. Guiya is a friend. Savariya, we all know, is the name of Krishna. So this particular dadra actually tells you how smitten the gopis or Radha were, with Krishna, because they would make little excuses for Krishna. They would create stories as to why is he dark-skinned. Just because he stands below a beautiful huge banyan tree in the shade. So they would make such parallels for Krishna because they were all so much in love with Krishna. So Savariya Pyara Re Mori Guiya. Savariya Savariya Pyara Re Mori Guiya. 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 Savariya वो तो थारे कदम की छैया. वो तो थारे प्यारा रे हो सवरिया. प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया. सवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया. It just takes me 2 seconds to set up for the next song, so just hang on. Okay, so I read that my voice is very feeble when I'm talking, so I've turned on the Tanpura for them. So the next performance, the item that I have chosen for performing is a chaiti. So a chaiti is actually a folk form in the northern parts of India, UP, Bihar, this region. It is sung in the Hindu calendar month of Chaitra. So hence the name Chaiti. And the Chaiti talks about things that happen Chet maas Chet maas bolayne koyaliya ho Rama. Chet maas bolayne koyaliya ho Rama. More aganwa कोयलिया ओ रामा रमा रे चैत मास रामा रामा चैत मास बोले रे कोयलिया हो रामा रे मोरे आंगनवा कुहुक कुहुक करे करे कुहुक कुहुक करे कुहुक कुहुक करे कुहुक कुहुक करे आमा मोरे आंगनवा चैत मास बोलैले कोयलिया हो रामा मोरे आंगनवा रामा मोरे आंगनवा So, this will be my final composition. I will be singing a jhula. A jhula is another folk form. Jhula literally means swing for those who speak Hindi. On this jhula, usually jhula jhula झूला 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 सावरे के संग गोरी झूले हिंडोला हिंडोला रे गोरी झूलली झूलली गोरी झूलली हिंडोला देखो सावरे के संग गोरी झूलली झूलली गोरी झूलली हिंडोला गोरी झूलली हिंडोला गोरी झूलली हिंडोला Thank you once again. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, RVS Siragugar. Thank you to my dear friend Samanyu Satish, and thank you to Dr. K. Senthil Ganesh of the Management Committee of RVS Siragugar. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay safe. Have a good night. Shubh Ratri.